Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts
Arne and Carlos, and today we are in Kate at the Last Homely House's kitchen.
Yeah, we've actually invaded her kitchen.
Yes, we
and
are.
told her that we need to learn how to make scones. So you're probably going to see us bomb in
And how are you
in her
doing, Kate?
scones
How do you
kitchen.
feel?
So we are going to make scones in the Last Homely House kitchen.
We are.
Yeah,
How hard can it be? What could possibly go wrong?
exactly.
With you, nothing go wrong.
Yeah, that's the question. How hard can it be? And then, well, we'll see.
We'll see.
But anyway, I can't wait to get this started. I mean, it's eggs and flour and butter, I guess, or something.
Sounds very easy.
Super easy.
It's easy.
It's very easy, Arne.
Yeah.
So stay tuned and we'll see how it goes.